Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you tired of forgetting important tasks or missing deadlines? In today's video, I'll walk you through an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to set up reminders in Notion so you never let anything slip through the cracks again. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to use Notion's built-in reminder feature to boost your productivity and stay on top of your to-do list. No more missed meetings or forgotten assignments. Let's dive right in. Imagine we have a sample database in Notion, which might be your task manager, a project tracker, or any list where you keep dates for things you need to remember. This database is going to be our foundation, and the best thing about Notion is its flexibility. You might already have a simple table ready, or maybe yours is more complex. If you don't have a database set up, don't worry. Creating one is quick, and you can always apply these steps to any list that includes dates. Now, before we add our first reminder, here's something crucial to know. In Notion, reminders can only be added to date properties. Dates are how Notion's reminder feature knows when to nudge you. So, make sure you've set up at least one column in your database as a date type. If you see a column labeled due date, event date, or anything similar, you're all set. But if not, you can simply add a date property right now. Just click plus to add a new column, select date as the type, and you're ready to roll. Next, choose the specific date on which you want your reminder to appear. This could be an upcoming deadline, a meeting, a birthday, really anything you don't want to forget. Just click on the date field for your task or event. Notion makes this step pretty intuitive. When you click on the date, a small pop-up calendar appears. This is where you can either pick a new date or confirm the one already set. Take your time here. It's always worth double-checking that the date is right. Imagine you're setting a reminder for a friend's birthday. Getting the date wrong could mean a missed celebration. With your date selected, look for the Remind button in that same pop-up. It's easy to overlook, but it's the key to getting Notion to send you a timely notification. Once you click on Remind, Notion gives you several options, like at time of event, 5 minutes before, 30 minutes before, and so on. Choose whatever fits best for you. If you're someone who likes a heads-up, pick an option like 1 day before. On the other hand, if you want to nudge just as something's happening, like starting a Zoom call right at the scheduled time, select at time of event. Make your selection, and that's it. Your reminder is now set, and Notion will notify you at the exact time you chose. Sometimes it can feel almost too simple, but that's exactly the point. Notion streamlines these little steps so you can focus on what actually matters. And if you ever need to change the reminder, you can just repeat these steps to update it. Don't worry if you don't see a notification right away. It'll appear according to the schedule you just set. So, there you have it. That's how you set reminders in Notion to keep track of tasks, events, and anything else you might need to remember. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just organizing your daily life, these reminders can truly help you stay ahead of the curve and feel more in control. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop any questions you have down in the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical Notion tutorials. See you next time.